Before embarking on our journey to learn Power BI, the initial step is to ensure that you have installed it correctly. Subscribe and commence your journey towards becoming a data guru. There's much to learn. In the description, you will find the necessary links for installation. Visit https://powerbi microsoft.com/and-us/downloads to download Power BI Desktop. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. Then, click on the Acquire button. You will need to input your Microsoft credentials for the download to commence. You might need to wait a few minutes until the download is completed. Once the download is finished, click on Open, and you are now prepared to use Power BI. A pop-up email subscription may appear. You can choose to register later. Close all windows. Proceed to the search box and begin typing Power. You will observe that Power BI now appears as a program. For convenient access, click on the arrow next to Power BI Desktop and select Pin to Taskbar. Now you are equipped to begin utilizing Power BI.